It's time for a little fun!
Five little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks played by the hay, splashing in puddles all the day. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks ran near the tree, happy as little ducks can be. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks waddled by the barn, sleeping softly on the farm. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck felt sad and small, looking around for friends and all. Mama duck said, quack, 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 then all five little ducks came back. Quack, 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 hooray, hooray! The little ducks are home to stay, dancing happily on the farm, safe and cozy, snug and